Today is the fire.
Yeah. We can officially say that the run is now
purely on. Fish is just flying out the river right now. Flying fish like Super Mario. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're jigging the Detroit River. So we got a beautiful, beautiful evening out right now. Just gorgeous. We're here roughly about 5 o'clock or so. Nice blue skies, and they're calling for really, really warm temperatures this week. So we're gonna try to get our chances to get on some nice walleye, hoping for a limit of nice eaters. I'm actually gonna be donating my fish today to anybody that's on the shore. I'm not gonna keep them because I only keep fish that I'm gonna eat on the day, and you guys already know that. So let's get in this water and see what we can do. So in the past few videos, the water was actually really, really dirty, and it's actually starting to clean up right now. We got a south wind behind us. The south wind is the key for you guys to get nice, clean water. So when you see something like that, you guys got to get out here and just start smashing. I'm going to be using my TFG jigging special, which is strictly built for the Detroit River walleye, and you guys already know that. You guys can also find it in a link in the description below. I'm going to be using the buck today and an orange Jerry Bear jig, like literally the ones that Jerry made. They were nostalgic, and I missed them very much because they're actually pretty cool. This was the exact same color that I caught a sturgeon on in one of my first videos of last year. So let's see what we can catch. All right, so today we're going to be fishing this top joint. A little bit of a different fall in this section here. They're going to be a little bit closer instead of fishing the corner, because you extend a little bit further out. And I'm going to say the water is just a little bit deeper here, and the current's just going to be a little bit faster. So we're going to find out what we catch down there. Fish!
you said I just got caught.
Bro, are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? This is crazy. First cast, fish.
That's new.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh man, what the hell's going on right now? There you guys go. Not necessarily first cast. I took a first cast and caught a fish already, and threw that thing back. Now they're true cast with the camera on. First cast. We got a nice male. On the buck. I'm using a 3/4 ounce jig. Nice, beautiful, sunny day. And we are actually gonna start crushing them. I feel like it's gonna be nuts. I can't get this out. I can't get this out. Yeah, samak. Yeah, samak halwa. Yeah. Ah, habibi.
Hey, I see your dirty little technique. I see your cheater technique.
Yeah, I think samak kabira. Yeah, sanada hawaj. Zen. Oh. There you go, Habibi. Yes. Half one, half one.
It's walleye?
Yeah, yes.
Hey. Wonder how big buddy on the corner there. That one looks like about 8-9 pounds.
Where?
Buddy was fishing the corner there. He's got that. Fuck, that looks almost like a 30-incher on the string.
Really?
Go look at the on the corner there. It's a big pounder. It's like an 8-pounder.
Oh, that's a big. That thing's huge.
I looked over the reel and seen the belly on it. I was like, damn. I was like, that looks like about 28-inch fish. That's a big girl. Okay. I see your cheating techniques.
Who, me?
Yeah, I see your cheating techniques.
What's that?
Put the bait up on upside down.
I didn't put it upside
Yeah,
down.
you did. Look at the green. Oh, did you? Oh, why does it look like? Oh, for somebody it looked like it was like that. I'm like, wait a minute.
What? What are you talking about?
How do you jig it so with no trolling motor?
I mean, I was wondering too, but there's no wind, right?
Oh, fish just came up right there. That was a muskie. Yeah?
What?
A muskie just came up right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
In the back fins, just swimming across the top.
Another one on the day, guys. Savage bite today. All nice eaters too.
I'll beat you.
All right. Jousting, jousting, jousting.
The number one night man wins.
Hey, that thing was never getting away.
Meet me halfway.
Yes, sir.
We got you like that, bro.
Yes, I know. Double net, man.
Damn jig. Yo, V.
Yo.
That's a huge net.
Bro, where did that thing come from?
Bottom of the fucking river. Hey, I'll put my fish back in the water though, V.
Oh. There you go, guys. That one's a nice little eater. Second fish on the day. Beautiful, beautiful, nice small eater. I'm not actually keeping, so I'm gonna donate all my fish today. So, Habibi, you want it? Yeah. Here you go.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. Have one.
That's illegal too.
So here you guys go, vehicle of the day. I have no idea what that is, but it is what it is.
I'm pretty sure I think time travel.
There's a lot of duct tape.
When it hits 88, hey, when it hits 88, it just teleports.
Does anybody know that comes with or without the flux capacitor?
Yeah. Vehicle of the day, guys.
Is that an option? Like, so? Did you switch? No. I still got G baby on.
My daughter got dropped off the other day in a brand new electric Mustang.
For a bit before
Yeah.
Beautiful looking car.
Like you see the shoreline, you see one person catching one color and all. Would you catch
For the
like
price, I don't think I'd buy
everybody?
that. Got 'em?
Can you not let me like finish my drift?
Sorry, bro. So third fish of the day here.
Save walleye for us common.
Yeah, they're just
Can't catch them.
dynamite biting right now.
Hey, you can't save the walleye for us common folks that can't catch them, right? Like,
They're all nice little ears. I'm actually using a Silky Steve, which is
oh, socks. So
my
Steve.
my fishing guru.
Nice trout.
So I'll show you that, guys.
It's a steelhead.
Yeah.
Nice steelhead. It's a rainbow. Same fish. No, it's not.
Thank you. So right there, that's the Silky Steve, and it's roughly about a pound or so. And just give me a second. Let me finish my video. All right. So I'm gonna donate this one right here. Third fish of the day. Silky Steve is actually a chartreuse back and silver belly. And like I said, I made it after my walleye guru. I have gurus that I follow, and these are the guys that I think that are pretty much the best in my life for fishing.
For God's sakes, buddy, get a hook set.
So here you guys go. Habibi.
Oh, thank you, Habibi. Thank
Yes.
you.
Third fish of the day. Oh, I love that windy breeze behind our back right now, bro. Nice and cold. The UV rays is giving me a nice tan.
What's for dinner tonight, V?
I'm not too sure.
You just know it wasn't ready, eh?
No, it was not ready, brother. My sister was making stuff, so.
Oh. You didn't make a quick pack of instant noodles?
I should have, man. But I had to save it for the good stuff. He must work out. Yeah?
Yep.
He must work out. I got you, Jerry.
Somebody's got my line. You're good.
Show me the money, Jerry.
This one's pretty good. Feels good.
Oh, you got him, Trev? Thank you, brother. So when you come down on the river, this is what you guys get here.
And my battery's sitting at 1% right now, too.
Really? Everyone teams up and we all take care of each other. We make sure that everyone gets their fish in.
I'm not even recording. This is definitely a sturgeon. Oh yeah, this is it's a long-nosed gar sturgeon. Or you snag it. No, that's head shakes.
Oh, that's nice head shakes.
On the banjo minnow. Yeah. No. Alexander Langer's flying lure.
I think Alex Pereira should have did some head shakes last night, but he got knocked out.
Yeah. He did do a head shake.
He did do a head shake. Yeah, while he was laying down.
Bounced off the can.
Thank you, brother. Good job, Jerry.
G baby.
G baby. This was with G.
Baby.
So you can see the bite is just phenomenal right now. Gorgeous.
Oh yeah. Join our friends. Oh, you on?
Are you on? Really? Oh, I'm coming, bro.
I'm already here.
Yeah.
Already climaxed. That beat you to it.
I might as well not even fish and just record the rest of the way if these two guys catch a fish. So we showed earlier that the cancer color that Trevor created.
Yeah, this definitely looks like a big one.
Oh, it looks amazing. And the name of the bait is actually named after his mom, Kathy's Dream. What do you guys think about that? With the purple and the glitter, it's a diamond glitter, so I think it's just gonna be the perfect name for this. And we're actually gonna put that out there for everyone to be able to use. Kathy's Dream, she's gonna watch over everyone. This one's gonna be huge.
Yeah, this one's big.
Yeah, this is gonna be a nice one, Trev. You got this, homie. Oh yeah. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, this is a big. Oh yeah, it's a big girl.
It's a big one. Oh yeah. You got color. Oh, that's why. Right under the chin.
Oh, she dove down. Over here.
Yep. Trusting that man. Nice catch, brother. Right under the chin. Brother, gorgeous fish, bro. Told you, man. Your mom's watching over you. You're just slanging fish right now. You ever watch those videos on like YouTube and you're just flicking them over the boat rail? That's it.
That's where I crush a 10-pounder because my battery's come back.
Hey, Puppy! Puppy, that's a cute dog. Look at that. Yo! Oh, you're so cute. You are so cute. So we have a new basket on. Look at this. What's her name?
Violet.
Violet. How can you gonna be so cute? You're all decked out for me? You lucky, I love puppies.
It looks like Levi's girlfriend.
Levi. Where's Levi? Levi would love her.
Oh man.
Oh my god. Levi will fall in love with this. Levi, I hope you're watching.
I'm gonna message him tonight, man, bro. I wish I was as good as you were jigging for walleye.
Just shave his beard off.
Big one.
That is, he's getting all the big ones. Oh, trusting that man.
Is that Jerry missing?
Yeah, oh no, he got it. He got it.
Don't miss no fish.
He don't miss nothing. Bro, you're getting all the hogs.
Thank you.
Oh, tactical fishing gear.
Yes.
Nice
So my
catch, bro.
daughter's seen me on the background
Yeah?
of your last video.
Nice.
She thinks it's like the greatest thing ever.
Oh my god.
Just want to let you know.
Oh, you're about to be in this video here.
All right.
Nice hog, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's a
One
big
more
one.
for a limit.
Oh, you are definitely gonna get your limit. You're getting really good at this.
First limit ever.
Yo.
They ain't going anywhere.
No, that thing was not going anywhere. Hog, brother. On the Hulk too.
Yep.
On the hook.
Jeremy, back off!
Oh, they're battling, battling, battling. Oh, Jerry with the slickness. Jerry with the quickness.
That's funny.
Beautiful battle with the net fish over here.
Spot for me.
See you.
Yes, Habibi, take it easy. A shupik bachar.
Thank you.
So many minnows down there right now.
Oh, it's crazy.
Make all the money.
Yeah.
You don't make money. Nobody buys his baits. They suck.
Thank you. Even he laughs at it. He's like, I've never seen anybody sell so many baits ever.
First cast. That's twice that I saw.
Yeah.
I talked to a guy called Lino the Lego Man.
Yeah.
And a cigarette butt.
Yeah.
Gummy worm.
Oh, there you go.
See, I reeled in on purpose because I didn't.
Number 4. Oh, I jinxed myself.
Yes.
Yes, that's right, Jerry. Yes. Number 3 again still. Got fish, Jerry? Yep, I'm gonna come get you.
The trout. Yep.
I hope so.
He did be jumping by now.
Oh, you don't never know, man. Coming to get you, brother.
This is how, this is how they do it on the TV and the pro with her. Just one arm, hold it. She's like, oh yeah. Yeah, guys. So yeah, what I did here was tactical rods of the shiznit, man. Bend and bend and bend. Okay, Outlander. So today's quote of God, the Bible says, "Thou shalt catch as many fish as I can."
You gonna reel that thing in yet?
I am reeling in.
No.
I just gotta get it close because he's like, reel, get closer, get closer, get closer. Reel. I'm like, all the way back on the hill. You gotta get it closer.
Some people just start walking back and have all his line is rubbing against the rail, right? Not Jerry though. Oh, I got you, Jerry.
Oh yeah.
I got you, Jerry.
Fish number 4.
Hair jig.
Oh, this was a good one. Really close too. I'm like right there.
Yep. Habibi, how are you?
So fun.
Abu Khalil, yeah. Today's very good.
Jerry, can I steal one of those black and silver?
Yeah. Should be like one of the clear bags and on the front of the bag, the big pouch in front of all the cases.
If it's not buckfishes, I ain't fishing it.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Those are some big words for me.
Whoa.
Howdy. Nice to see you.
Hey, am I blind?
Okay, so right for totes, straight down my black bag.
Yeah.
The totes right there, look straight down. It should be right in one of his old packaging.
Crushing it, Jerry. You're about to get your first limit of the year today. Oh, that's a nice one too. That's a nice one. Crush.
She deep throated it.
Orange crush.
Yeah, orange
Hey,
crush.
this isn't quality bait.
Hey,
Too flimsy.
What?
The Lunker City one.
Oh, I'm about to say what? Mine's very flimsy too, but it's a mixture
Better
of.
quality.
Thank you.
It's Canadian made.
Yes.
skinny, long and skinny.
Well, you're slaying it. That's a Swano female.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Perfect table fare.
Table folks.
Should I flop around like that fish too? Yeah. let me
Back. It's broken. Oh, I turned my camera off.
Oh man. Oh,
Oh, well, that sucked.
I just did the Scott, but except for with the jig, not a Sabile.
Yeah, but you didn't flip your bail up. Okay.
Oh, I got you.
Number 5. Number 5.
Yeah, he's on.
Number 5.
Jerry.
Not as big as the other one, but.
I know how Jerry
Hey,
feels.
first limit of the year is always great.
Yeah, and it will be. I have one more to go.
Yep.
The only problem is, all right, this is number 8 on that stringer.
Yeah, but some of the Travis.
Yeah. But if I catch number 6, I can't put it on the stringer. I'll throw it in the bucket. And Silky Steve's on.
Man, he's always on.
Can't buy a fish right now.
Black and silver.
Oh, he's going into the stringer. Okay.
Yeah, here we go.
I got him. There you go, bro. Number 5. Johnny, number 5. Buck Shiners made in Cienata.
Canada.
Yeah, did you see? Remember that? Chop on.
He had to have said something because I did not get that joke until he said that.
Brazil. Cienata.
Jerry, was that in close again?
Oh yeah.
No, actually, I was a little far though. That was like near the beginning of my drift, but still like not super far, but also not super close.
Is he connected on the other side?
This is around the ball jig right now. I'm just gonna get the hook out. Caught.
I thought it was caught on the hook to the other side.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay, there you go. Number 5, brother. Congrats.
Just gotta get that out.
Yeah, I'll get it. Number 5. Number 5. So the bite is so good right now. I might as well just stand here like this with the staff. Right, JV? I'll just be the personal net man. I've donated fish for the day already, and now I can just net fish all day. So let's go, keep going.
6.
You're a killer, bro.
I'll get her in. This is number 6, ladies and gentlemen.
Number 6.
Good head shakes. Good head shakes.
You're
I've been in the same spot.
Amazing, bro. First limit of 2023.
I know, but if anybody reels in, they're gonna probably catch my line because I'm under all of them. Oh no, we're good. We're right there. Come on, come on.
Awesome.
Oh, that's a good fish.
That's gonna be an awesome one.
Feels nice.
Yeah, that's gonna be an awesome one.
You got? I recommend any of y'all got black and silver. Put it. Oh, good head shakes. Put it on. Oh, she's fighting. Here, I'll come this way so I stay away from the stringer.
Yeah, I gotta tie that string a little bit shorter.
Yeah. Ooh. Come on, baby girl.
Oh, that's a nice one. There you go.
Got it?
Yeah, there you go, brother. Number 6. Congratulations on your first limit of 2023.
Give me 1 second. I'll fist pound you.
Yeah.
My hands in her gills here.
Sounded terrible when he said he's gonna fist pound me.
You guys don't know what we do off camera.
Oh, you're not supposed to tell him that, bro. Congratulations, bro. Today is the fire.
We can officially say that the run is now
Purely on. Fish is just flying out the river right now. Flying fish like Super Mario. Alright everyone, we're gonna end our day there. It was just like a fascinating day. The bite was non-stop. Everyone pretty much got their limit. Like I said in the last video, if you didn't get your limit today, there was something wrong with you. So we slayed them on all different colors, all different ways. Black silver was so hot for some reason. People just were crushing on them. I was using a TFG jigging special on the day, which I'm going to be using for the rest of the season. It is a beautiful rod, strong rod. I love the lightness of it. You don't get tired whatsoever. The conditions right now, the water is starting to really clean up, you know, because we had that warm weather come in. The water is just perfect. The temperature is about 44 degrees. Beautiful evening. So anyways, guys, like, share, subscribe. I'll have to catch you on the next one. Buck off.